Hello dears, we are studying JEE MCQ and today's question is choose the correct material which belongs to the category of highly elastic. Options is A brass, B steel, C glass and D rubber. According to question we have to find the highly elastic material. Which one of the highly elastic? So we have to find the correct answer for this question. This question is asking SSC JEE 2018, which is from strength of material. So for solving this question, first we have to know what is elasticity. What is elasticity of a material? Elasticity is the tendency of a body, or we can say tendency of any material to regain its original configuration, or we can say to regain its original shape and size after removal of deforming force up to its elastic limit. This property of material is called elasticity. So elasticity is the tendency of a body to regain its original configuration after removal of deforming force up to its elastic limit, and this property is known as elasticity. For elasticity, suppose a material, this is material, or we can say a body. So this body, we apply the two forces in both sides, and this forces is pull forces. The length of body is L. So when apply the forces on both sides, then elongation in a body takes place, because the forces is pull forces. So the elongation, that is stretching. So stretching in the body takes place, and it is called deformation of body. So deformation is del L. Now we can say in elasticity, when force is equals to P, then deformation is equals to del L. Now when elasticity is property is there, now when P is equals to 0, then del L is equals to 0. So this property is due to elasticity. Now according to question, we have to find the most elastic material, that is highly elastic material. So most confusion is in two materials, first steel and rubber, that is option B and option D. Now here steel is more elastic than rubber. Why? Because steel regain tendency is more than rubber. If you take a steel plate or a steel thin plate, we can see the speed of regain tendency is more of a steel than rubber. So we can say the steel is more elastic than rubber because steel regain tendency is more than rubber. So its correct option will be option B, that is steel. Steel is the highly elastic material. The modulus of elasticity of steel is E is equals to 200 gigapascal, which is equals to 200 into 10 to the power 9 Pascal, that is Newton per meter square. So this correct answer will be option B, that is steel. Choose the correct material which belongs to the category of highly elastic. So its correct answer will be option B, steel, and option A, C, D will be wrong. So and today's question is over. Thank you for watching.